sure if this trick will work with a VPN, the shopping cart trick. I just tell people just to make sure that your information is in fact your trust and opt out pre-screen. Make sure that information is in, like your information is in there, and call them to verify that they have your correct address. They may have the wrong information and you may not be able to get it to work if they have the wrong information in there. So just go ahead and double check with them to see if they have the right information. So look on your Equifax credit report and verify that that information that's on the Equifax credit report is what they actually have, and that Equifax credit report is updated too with your current address to get that shopping cart trick to work. Now, a lot of people just think that the VPNs will work, but I just see people doing a lot with incognito. I don't think that the VPN really makes a factor, because I see other people in other countries getting the doing the shopping cart trick on their computer at least. So I really don't think it matters, but I guess you guys can definitely try using the VPN. That's up to you guys. And some people say VPN, or it's, I don't know if you're thinking CPN, but I definitely don't think a shopping cart trick is going to work with a CPN if that's what you meant to.